All right, hello. So this video is how to fill out the research summary and the bibliography on your science fair lab report. So the first thing is that I made a mistake, and you may have noticed that there are duplicate slides in here. So when you go through, you have your research question, then you had your research summary and bibliography, variables, constants, and then, oh no, another research summary and bibliography. So you are welcome to delete any two of those so that you just have one research summary and one bibliography. So, how do you fill this out? So it says from the website, write the name of the website, do not post a link. I learned that, summarize the information about your topic that you learned from the website. So, filling this out is simple and hard at the same time. When you fill out your research summary, what you need to be thinking about is here, and let's see if we can add a comment. What we need to be thinking about is, what do I need to know in order to make a hypothesis? Right? So when you are thinking about your topic, there are some things that you need to know in order to make an accurate hypothesis. And then there's some things that you just don't really need to know in order to make the hypothesis. So for example, a lot of people are doing slime projects. So let's go to the research links. They are inside the science fair folder here. And it's going to open up a Google Doc. And inside the Google Doc, there are a bazillion links. And they're all for different things. So the slime projects are first. Then there's a bunch of different baking projects and different variations of that. There's crystal projects, rubber band projects, freezing or melting ice projects, lying and heart rate. We're going to change that to exercise and heart rate here in a few minutes. Penny cleaning, mint and memory, growing gummies, video games and test scores, everything. Every single project, there is something in there for you to use as research. So if I'm doing my slime project, I'm going to click on this first link here, and this is from Scientific American, and the article is called Slime, Is It a Solid, Liquid, or Both? So this page has some information that I need and some information that I don't need. And let's say that my project does changing the type of glue affect how far the slime stretches? So I might need to know, like, what makes slime stretchy, right? So in this article here, they talk about how slime is neither really a solid or a liquid. Okay, that's not super helpful. Here we go. Is it a solid or liquid? It's a non-Newtonian liquid like slime. All right. So let's see. So far, not much of that seems to be very helpful in talking about why things are stretchy. Let's see. There's a little more information down here. Let's see. You know, I just think, oh, here we go. Here's the word stretched. So, it says it did not flow as easily as water because it consists of cross-linked particles, whereas water consists of small particles. So maybe what I learned is that those links, if I remember up here, there's a little bit of information about links as well. So white school glue is a liquid and its long polymers can slide along one another. It does not flow easily. It's quite borax. It's quite viscous. The addition of some chemicals such as borax solution can cause cross links between the polymers. It is as if the very long molecules started to hold hands. So I think it's something about those polymers that helps it be stretchy. So what I'm going to do is go back to my lab report, and I'm going to fill in my research summary here. So I'm going to write from the website Scientific American, because that's the name of the website here, Scientific American. What did I learn? I learned that slime is stretchy because of the borax solution making links between the polymers in glue. Okay, so I'm taking a little bit of information from here, long polymers in the glue. The borax solution creates links, and that's what allows stuff to stretch together. So I'm taking information from this paragraph and a little bit, I guess, from down here and putting it together to explain why slime is stretchy in my own words. So the next thing I'll do is fill out this bibliography. And what I would do to do that is I would watch this video here, how to use EasyBib to make an MLA citation. And I would use this link here and the directions in this video to help me make a citation to put here on my bibliography slide. A bibliography is like a works cited, if you've heard that before. It's basically an organized way to keep track of all of the sources that you used in your project. All right, so that is kind of how you look at an article, decide what's important to your specific project and your specific thing that you're trying to figure out, and then put it on your research summary slide. There was one more thing about specific things that you need to put on there. There's a lot of information on this Scientific American website about like slime being a non-Newtonian solid. It's not really a liquid. It's not really a solid. Is it both? That kind of thing. And that's really interesting, and maybe that's something that you learn, but it's not related to what my project was, which is what makes slime like really, really stretchy. So hopefully that will help you decide what needs to go on this slide and what doesn't, and give you some information about how to fill out this research summary. And then remember to fill out the bibliography. You are just going to follow the directions in this video here in our Science Fair folder, and it will help you make a citation to put on your bibliography. All right, thank you so much for watching, and have a great rest of your day.